Okay, guys, today I'm showing you something, like this. You know, in Hyper-V, always we get the this kind of error, right? So to sign in the remotely, to need the right to sign in the through remote desktop service. By default, member of the remote desktop user group have this right. If this group you are in does not have this right, or if the right has been removed from the remote desktop group, you need to be granted this manually. So when you get this kind of error on Hyper-V, so how to solve this one? So mostly what happened, this kind of error is by default, Hyper-V use enhanced session mode. You know what is that means? So I will show you that, okay? How to solve that. Before that, I will try. So let's see. So how, you know, in which, cases, so you can see this kind of error, okay? So now here I have a one domain here, right? So here I have a one, OU, and here is a sales user, right? User has a, see here, I create this user and its user accounts and a sales user one, right? This is a user login name. And here is a @lab.local is my domain, right? So we can use this username to log in that computer, right? So what I do, I will go there, right? And I will try to, let's see. Okay, so just log in system here. Okay, so what happened here? Restart my computer. Okay, this one is restarting, right? So I will go here, others. Now I will keep here sales user one @ I'm giving full domain, okay? Lab.local. This is my domain and this is my username, right? So username and domain whole thing I put here. So I will put here like in my, one password. Let's see here. See, this one giving me like this, kind of, error, right? So it says like a remote desktop user group. You need to grant it this manually. So I did this one. So let's see, where is that? Check it out here. I will go here, user and computer, right? So here, let's see here. I create the one where is a company, right? Here is a sales, and here is a sales group. This one, right? Let's see here. This one has a properties, and I will go member of. See here. This is a remote desktop user, right? We already add that member. I mean, like this user is member of uh, this group, right? And I also add in sales group. This has a one sales group here. So here is also what I did, member of. See this one. I already made a member, right? So why I'm still getting that error here? Why? The main reason is, so what happened, mostly, by default, Hyper-V use enhanced session mode, while this mode is great for feature like copy pasting, right? And screen, sizing. It works by running a uh, hidden RDP session in the background, right? If the VM is like a domain controller, right? And virtual machine, okay, virtual machine is a domain controller, and only domain admin has the right to sign in the RDP by default, right? If the virtual machine is like in a regular server, right, regular server, only member of the local administrator or remote desktop user group can sign in. So if you want to uh, sign in as a local. If I make this, user sales user one administrator, so I can easily log in here, no problem, right? So what is the enhanced session mode means, right? So if I go here again, say, and I tried, I am getting this one, right? So I'm talking about the enhanced session mode. So what is that means? Enhanced session mode, you will get under the view here. See, this one is a tick here, right? So because of this, so we get the error here right now. If you are using Hyper-V, so always turn off this session. But one thing is by default, Hyper-V use enhanced session mode always. So they always tick this one. While the mode is great for feature like copy and paste and screen sizing. So that's why they using this one. But if we try to log in here, we get this here always. So if I turn off this, see, I don't have this one right now, see, right? Now this one is turned on automatically. So because I already put that, right? So let's try one more time. Okay, I will go here and just shut down. Okay, I just want to shut down this one, right? So I'm using this one. I'm turn off this right now. I just want to connect this one again. Continue. Okay, so let's see this one. This one is off here right now, right? And this is size here, see, size, right? If I put this one large, connect, right? And let's see here first. Okay, if this one is enhanced, so I will turn off this. Okay, see, turn off, right? And just put this one and click here. If I put here my password now, see, is going to be connect. Let's see. See, this one is open now, right? So the main thing is enhance session mode. I hope you guys understand that, right? So many people who is using Hyper-V first time in Windows, so they have these issues. They can see these issues many times, and they are frustrating to do this one. So if you guys have that issues, try this one. So you guys get easily sign in. Okay, so this is the main issues is enhanced session mode. Okay, so everything is good now, so you can sign in now. Okay, and if you have a question, so you can just comment me, so I will reply for you. Thank you very much.